Okay, guys, this is a quick training. I'm gonna make it quick. I'm kind of under the weather today, and I do not have my mic, so I hope that everybody can hear this video. If not, um, I'll re-upload it once I get home and use my mic. But I just want to give y'all a quick training about what I've been doing every day to connect with people in different industries. And what I'm going to show you are two industries that are really, really big. And one of them has to do with something called CBD oil, which is hemp or cannabis infused oil, and also MCA. I know a lot of you have heard about MCA, Motor Club of America. So I'm going to show you guys how I've been connecting with these people in these industries. Now, first let's start with CBD oil. Now, as I said, CBD oil is really blowing up. It's hemp infused oil, and it's legal because it has 1%, and 1%, I believe, is legal in all 50 states. So what you're going to see here is a page like this that I have themed towards the CBD industry. There are two companies right now that are really big, and that's CTFO and that's Canaway. And what you're going to do is you're going to connect with people in these businesses using a page like this. You're going to show them this page and say, hey, I got a way where you can actually talk to CBD business leads that want to know about your business. And then if they want to, if they want more info on what we do and how we do it, they fill out the form here, first name, last name, email, phone number, which gets you a lead. Now, after this page, I have it going to a thank you page for now. But what I'm going to do later, I'm going to connect it to a video that is going to do all the telling, selling, and explaining for you. And once I put this out in this group, you're welcome to take the share codes, plug them into your system, and use it, just as I'm doing. Now, I've got a plan to where I'm going to actually film a video of myself doing all the telling, selling, and explaining. But you can also use David telling, him talking about TCP and how it works to build any business. You can use, Keith Stevens. He's another top earner in TCP. It opportunities are endless here. So, but what I want to show you is this page. It says when you show this page to somebody in CTFO or Canaway, which are the CBD businesses right now that are really hot, they're going to see this headline up here that says, show your hemp business opportunity to people ready to join today. Now, how to get CTFO and Canaway or any other CBD business leads, names, emails, and phone numbers. And then down here, you'll see, stop talking to the wrong people. This is actually speaking to this person that is in this business. And it also says, we also provide all the marketing tools, training, and automation you need to keep eyes on your CBD business 24/7. And that is absolutely true. We're not telling them nothing wrong. We're not lying to them. We're telling them the absolute truth. So, as I said, I don't have anything connected to this right now as far as a landing page, but I'm going to in the, probably before the end of the week, I'm going to try my best. And if not, then I'm going to put a video of David on there explaining. Or even Mark Steffen. He's another TCP owner that puts out amazing content. So, I'm going to work on that. But this is just to show you an example. Now, if I go here to Facebook and I click on search right here, I'm going to type in these business names that are dealing with hemp or cannabis oil or whatever. Now, it's called CTFO is one of them. So I'm going to search for CTFO. And I'm going to click on posts. Now, these are posts of people. These are posts of people that are in this business right now, and they're posting about it. So it's highly active. You're going to see February 27th. You're going to see all the latest posts 15 hours ago. This person just posting a simple picture, which, in my opinion, isn't that smart. But I'm gonna click on See All, and it's gonna bring up all the latest posts. Now, this guy right here, and you're gonna want to look for people that don't really have a lot of engagement, because those people are gonna be the ones struggling the most in their business. It's just common knowledge. If you know, if they're not getting any kind of if they're not getting any kind of engagement, then odds are 9 times out of 10 they're struggling, and they're struggling freaking bad. So if I wanted to connect with this Anjanetta person that is in CTFO, I would simply click on her, and this person just texted me, I can help you with MCA if you're struggling to get sales. No, thank you. I use TCP, buddy. Get out of here. I'll get with him later, and I'll tell him TCP. Tell him about TCP. But anyway, back to this. If I wanted to connect with Angela, I would simply, well, it looks like a page. Let's go down here. Find an individual. Actually, let's go back up here. And you want to find an individual. Don't necessarily click on a page, because it may be hard to get a hold of that person, because a lot of these pages are automated or whatever. So I don't really trust those things. Keith Hicks. Let's try Keith Hicks. First off, let's bear with me. My computer's running slow, because I'm doing this at the same time filming, so it's kind of hard. Okay, let me click on Keith Hicks, and any kind of post that he is posting about his business. Okay, this looks like a fan page, which that's okay. Let's just for demo purposes, I'm gonna show you what I would do. I would like it, and I would comment, and I would say CBD is changing lives and improving people's health. Oops, typo. Health. And I'm gonna give him a shout out. Get with Keith today, right? And I'm gonna push enter, and I'm gonna post that. He's gonna see that, and he's gonna be like, "Wow, this guy's actually giving me a shout out. He's not spamming his business. I'm not spamming my business under his. I'm giving him affirmation that what he is doing is awesome, and I want him to succeed." You get what I'm saying? And he's gonna see that. And also, I'm gonna add this guy as a friend. If this was, well, you know what? I'm just gonna give it a like, and I may message him. And I may say, "Hey, I like what you're doing with CBD, with CTF, with this. I'm sorry, terrible with business names. With CTFO, and I just want to support you and show you how you could put your CTFO business in front of a lot more people." And you're simply, if he's receptive to it, you're going to show him this page. You're going to send him this page. If he sees this, he wants to grow his CBD business instead of sucking and not getting anywhere. He's going to fill out this form right here, and it's going to take him to see more info about TCP. You got me? You follow me so far? I hope you do. Now, I'm going to show you another business, and I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with this one. And I've also built a page themed to people in this business. MCA. I'm also in MCA. I make a heck of a lot of money, and it's not from spamming people on social media. Or I don't even post about MCA on social media, and I still make a few thousand a week just from MCA. Now, I'm not bragging, I'm just telling you what's possible. Now, same with this. Same concept, same page structure from the CBD oil page that I showed you. Very same structure. I got show your MCA business opportunity to people ready to join today. How to get high quality MCA business leads who have money to invest. Names, emails, and phone numbers. Stop talking to the wrong people. We also provide the marketing tools, training, and automation you need to keep eyes on your MCA business 24/7. Once again, they fill out the form, name, number, email, cell phone. They click let me in, give me details. It's going to take them to the very same video that I'm going to set up. Very same. Now, go back to Facebook. You punch in MCA right here in the search, and you put it on posts. And it's going to pull up. Oh, bear with me. It's going to pull up people that have been posting about MCA recently, or months ago, or weeks ago. Now, I want to let you know there's another company out there called MCA. In India, you want to kind of do your research and figure out what a certain post is about. Right here, you can clearly see MCA. Most likely, if you see an Indian dude right here, it's not the MCA we know. So, yeah, don't even bother. But anyway, let's click on this guy, Lewis MCA. And once again, this looks like another page, but you know what? It don't matter. For the sake, for the time's sake, we're just going to, let's see, February 27 is when he last posted. You're going to do the same damn thing I showed you. You're going to like. You're going to maybe add this guy as a friend if this was a personal profile. And you're going to comment. MCA is an awesome opportunity to make insane money from home. Get with Louise today. Boom. Alright, now I'm going to message this guy and I'm going to ask him his results from with MCA, what he's doing. And I'm also going to offer him this page. If he wants to show his MCA business opportunity to people ready to join today, then he's going to see this page. He's going to be like, let me see what this is about. Name, email, phone number. Boom, give me the details. And he's going to be taken to a page that explains TCP themed to MCA. I'm going to use David's MCA webinar that he put together for MCA being used with TCP. So, guys, like I said, extremely simple to get signups with this. This is what I've been doing for the past couple months, and it's been paying off. Now, occasionally, you are going to see and find people that are not as serious about their business as they need to be. Those people are going to, they'll cuss you. They'll say, oh, well, I'm getting results just posting online and you know, in groups and all that. You know that's a lie. Because we've already tried that. We've already tried that, and it doesn't work. Just posting in groups nowadays does not work as effective as it used to maybe 10 years ago. You have to stand out from the crowd, and you have to be different than everybody else out here that is failing in MCA, that is failing in the CBD oil business. You have to be different than these guys to get massive results. These people, all in these groups right here, having to do with MCA, are not rich. They are not wealthy. They are not making the type of money that they claim they are making. And it's a sad thing. And why is that? Because they do not have the proper training, tools, or leads to make it happen for them. But they would if they joined TCP, and that is what we offer them as members of TCP. TCP is crazy, insane, and we support the whole entire marketing industry, network marketing industry, home-based business industry. You know, it doesn't matter. You can build a page like this themed to any business and show that to anyone in that business and get sign-ups. Don't make it so hard, people. Promoting TCP is probably the easiest thing that I have ever been involved in. And my residuals are increasing every single freaking week. It is nuts. I am retired because of TCP. I don't have a 9 to 5 because of TCP. I am able to get up in the mornings, take my little girl to school, and come back and do what I want to do for the rest of the day because of TCP. And once again, I am not bragging. I'm just letting y'all know the power of this system and the power of residual income. So guys, that's it for now. I want to cut it short now, but this is so easy, y'all. This is so easy. I will have share codes up probably before the end of this weekend coming up for y'all to plug into your systems and start getting this out there. And probably this weekend I'm going to drop another training video, and I'm going to go even more in depth about, you know, what I'm saying to these people and what's getting them super interested. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, I got a big trip ahead of me. I'm leaving Baltimore today, and I'm heading back home to South Carolina. So I've got a real long drive, but I hope that you gain some value out of this video. And if you need any assistance, any help, any advice, feel free to message me, drop me a line, call me. I'll leave my number here. And guys, let's just go out and show TCP to the world, in the business world, in the network marketing world, and make crazy, insane residual income. All right, y'all.